Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up Bermuda Arrival Card before you travel to Bermuda. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. Okay, so guys, like many countries, Bermuda too has started Arrival Card, and recently India also launched, and it's free and you can fill it up on your mobile device too and also on a desktop device. So I'm going to show you mobile device in this video. For desktop I'll make another video, but it's pretty simple and remains the same. The website is very friendly. First of all, this is absolutely free, so make sure you use the correct version, the one that I'm showing you now, because there are third-party sites too which may ask you to pay some money, and it's just like wasting your money. What are they going to do? They're going to collect your information and put in this website. Okay, so all visitors that those who are arriving by air or yacht should complete this form. Okay, so first is like put your first name, middle initial, last name. It should match with your passport, gender, nationality. There's a drop down, you can go and pick any national, I mean your nationality, not any nationality. Passport number, passport expiration date, your email address, date of birth, arrival date, and arrival method, flight number, home address, okay, country, where of your address, where you it is, where you stay, your address details. If this is your first trip, put yes. If it is not your first trip, put no. Then purpose of entry, you select whatever it is. If you're going for vacation, select vacation. Number of nights you're going to put, intended address. So if you go there, they have asked like where are you going to stay, hotel and similar, friends, rental house, whichever is applicable in your case. So if you select hotel, they have all the options. There's one other also if it's not listed out here. Similarly, if you select like a guest house, that also they have. So if you want special offers, you can check this, and this is the declaration that you have done it. Okay, and then at the end you are going to submit. So that's how simple it is, guys. Very simple. It hardly takes 2 minutes, but yes, it's important. And make sure you are on the correct site and don't go through third party site which may charge you extra money. Okay, and once you receive the email with QR, save it, and once you reach there, show it to them so that they can help you get through the process. That's pretty important. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.